Hello everyone! When it comes to your skincare routine, product matters and technique matters. Product and application of the product go hand in hand. This is our beloved D22 Tonic. It's a gently exfoliating, balancing, resurfacing, brightening, plumping toner that we use in every treatment, and I always recommend you use it morning and night for your at-home skincare routine. Here are my non-negotiables when it comes to toner application. First and foremost, always use a cotton round to apply your toner. It is very important to utilize cotton round and not just your hands to be able to evenly distribute the product and enhance the application of the product while you're moving décolleté, neck, and up on your face. So, second thing, never skip your décolleté. So you're gonna start the décolleté, you're gonna hold your skin in every area that you're working in, and gently tapping, pressing into your skin, move up on décolleté, then hold the skin behind the ear, move up on your neck, hold the skin in front of the ear. And you're gonna work on your chin, jawline, sculpt your cheeks, and similarly, hold your skin on your forehead and work through your forehead. The movements are very important. That is also quite non-negotiable tip when it comes to application. Make sure to use gently. You can use tapping movements, vibrational movements, you can do a little bit of plumping, and always move up. Second tip, or at this point it's probably a little bit more than second tip, always reference the mirror. One has to be able to see what's going on their skin. I always try and split the face in two. Start working on the left side if that's your preferred side. See how your cheeks are going up, how everything is smoothing, how every line is disappearing. You're removing the dead skin and build up, so you're actually plumping up your skin overall. So one side at a time, always reference the mirror. Never skip your chin and your jawline. That's where inflammation sits. That's where we get those pesky hormonal breakouts that lead to post-inflammatory pigmentation. So make sure you always work under the chin and address the top of the chin and move up your jawline to make sure you sculpt the whole entire jawline, but also address that inflammation that happens in those areas. Spend the time on other areas that are of the concern. So I would say any sort of pigmentation, so post-sun pigmentation, anywhere you have a little bit more expression lines, you would want to spend a little bit more time stimulating that area to plump it up. I would also say that one has to never skip the area around the ears. So you would want to make sure that when you're working it upwards, you'll go in front of the ear as well at the end, go behind the ear where we have to, make sure to exfoliate and brighten up that area. This is what affects the neck overall. And use your cotton pout to work inside the ears as well. Last but not least, whatever is left on your cotton round has to be used on the top of your hands. It's the most forgotten area when it comes to overall skin. Skin is your largest organ. You have to address it as whole. And don't waste the product. You just applied it and spread it out all over your décolleté, neck, and face. This is what's visible to the world. But your hands are what suffers over time. Sun exposure, continuous driving, just walking through the streets. Make sure whatever is left, you will apply it gently on the top of your hands to plump up the skin and also eliminate any sort of pigment that occurred throughout the years. Enjoy the healthy, glowy skin you're in, and I'll see you next time.